Hello everyone, welcome to my course. I am Amit. In this video, we will going to start pandas, how to work with the pandas libraries in Python. What is the meaning of pandas? Why we use this? Pandas library is used to read a data set or a data frame so that you can read the data frame effectively and perform various operations. With the help of this pandas library, you can read any data set used to read data frame and data set such as CSV data, text data, Excel data. So you can read various data with the help of this pandas library, and you can create a data frame also. Now here, let me run this. I'm using this Google Colab. So in this Google Colab, it will take time based on your internet speed, and you can try installing the library also if you want. In case suppose you might get an error while running this pandas, then you can install this pandas library. So the requirement is already satisfied in the sense because this pandas is already installed and available in the Colab. And once you do it, suppose you want to create a data set or you want to create a data frame where you have a series of data, you want to save it banana, apple, and strawberry, then you just need, why I'm taking this single quote, because this is a character data, sorry, this is a string data or character, whatever you use it, string or character, you specify within a single quote in the Python, and you can run this. So you see this, the data are saved with proper index. Similarly, if you want to save the number, you can save it with this series function. In this pandas, there is dot series is a one function. It will help you to save the series of the data. So here also I will going to do the same. Let me take some more data here, 9, 10, 0. And when you run this, it will going to save it. The advantage is it is saved with the help of proper index that will help you to easily find out the data. If you want to append more data, you can simply use the variable name shop dot append and you can add it. So and when you run this, you see it, when you shop dot append is the function that will going to add this element at the end of the shop list. So here what will be look like this? So it will be like this, means it will going to add this none to this series data. So it will be something look like this. If you do this, so this one will be like this. So it will add a data like this. Now let me, in place of none, let me try with the same step by adding more thing. So I'm going to add a code here. So now instead of this none, I wanted to add a name, suppose Amit, and this is of a string type, right? So I will take it in a single quote and let me run this. So when I run this, you see the name is come here, right? Similarly, you can perform several operations with this pandas library. When you work with this number data, in case of this num.append, num is of what type? Number type, right? You can see it here. I have explained you here. This num is of a kind of a pandas series data frame where all are numbers. So if you try to say append none here, means none, yeah, none here, so it will going to print it NaN. NaN in the sense not a number. What do you mean by this? NaN. And it will be in case of number, when you have a number in your data frame like this, you can see it. But if you have a string data, then it will print none. Now suppose if you want to save this data, laptop, Dell, mobile, Apple, tablet, speaker, Panasonic, and let's take one more example, television. And when you want to save it on the series, you just need to take pd.series function and you need to pass the variable. Okay. Just need to take in a single quote. I took it in a double quote. Okay, so here I think some error is coming. Okay. Oh, sorry. I forgot to add a comma here. So you see here, when I add a value here, so here because of this comma, it was giving an error because I add a new line here. So when you want to print the series of a data, you can do it with the help of this pd.series function, and you can save as many as data on the series. So you can see how the data frame I have created here with the help of this pandas library and this series function on in this pandas library. You can read it from the Python Oracle document also. What is the definition of this pandas series? Why we use it in a detail. So in the next video, we'll start some more function on this pandas. Till then, bye.